Welcome everyone to weather updates. Today we're going to have a look at the radar first and the precipitation over the next few days, as we are starting to see more snow risks coming up. In fact, we've already seen a little bit of hill snow going up in the Pennines. Here we go in the Peak District, mixed in with rain. So already seeing some activity already with a little bit more precipitation around today. We could see some a band of rain maybe pushing into most areas. We might even get some hill snow this time in a little bit more southern areas already. Now looking on to Tuesday, onto the temperatures, it's going to drop drastically, so it's going to be a below average into single digits, most likely. So we're still hanging on to these weather warnings. We've got the yellow warning today of snow and ice, and we have the other two warnings, which is snow and ice in the north. You can see here, destruction from snow and ice. Like I said, I did go through this. You can watch back the video. Again, 300 metres, meaning 50 to 20 centimetres in some areas, and it has a low likelihood and a medium impact. So they are the weather warnings. Firstly, looking at the precipitation over the next few days, then we can see going over to today we'll be seeing a few showers around it, as it did say on the radar as well. Further hill snow in Scotland, so I can see some drizzle today. On to Monday, this is where it gets all interesting. This is where the snow will be coming, hopefully. A band of rain, as you can see here, pushes from the Atlantic Ocean, and as you can see here, just at Monday night, we're going to get some significant snowfall already. Maybe some mixing with rain at times. Otherwise, that will be leaving east in the morning, throughout the day. So I could still hang on to a few snow showers. Otherwise, not too bad on Tuesday itself. We could see some snow. Until Wednesday, we could see an odd snow shower in some areas, in maybe pushing south as well, into England. On to Friday, again, we could see a lot of snow near Glasgow, as you can see here, judging by all the purples. Now, if we have a look at the depth really quickly, let's see over here, we can see a significant snowfall, as you can see there, in some areas as the band moves in. Now looking on to, not today, that one. Now looking on to Sunday, we can see if we have, oh my god, I hate this so much. When we look on to Sunday, we can see here, the temperatures are going to be starting to decrease a little bit, all in single digits, and the coldness does start onto the north. Looking on to Monday's temperatures, this is where it's going to get very cold. You can already see from the top hand corner where the cold air moves in from the north. We could see some significant significant frost tonight as well. So you can see here, 1 degree. So 1 degree is going to be like the most in northern areas. So it's going to be bitterly cold. In fact, probably the most cold it's ever been. And this is how cold it will be getting overnight. Over here, -5 in the north. Over there. You can already see there's actually a weird thing going on. There is like a more milder air in the south. We also have some cold air in the north. So when you go more north, it will be colder, and when you go south, it's a bit more mild, as you can see from there. But if we have a look at Tuesday's temperatures, then I don't know why it's not loading. Well, it's going to be around 1 to -1, 2, 3 degrees, but this time, southern areas will be now dropping into single digits, all areas, onto Tuesday. To Wednesday, we can see a more bitterly cold weather, -2, 1, again, all single digits, if not minus single digits, so very cold. I can't even load it up. Sorry if it's been so slow. Right. 0, on Thursday in most areas, 2, 3. It is seeming to get a little bit colder as well. And this is in most areas. And you can see how cold it might get on Friday. -4 is our -5. Very, very cold. Now, if you have a look at the GFS, I'll put my pen out. If you have a look at the GFS, onto Sunday, we can see here a little bit of a cooler air. It's on Monday when we start to feel it, or Tuesday with the deeper blue colours with more pressure. I can see here it is going to get quite colder when you get towards Thursday. It does start to be a little bit more mild at a time as well, with more changeable weather. I'm not really going to mess around with this. But all we have to know, snow will be coming up tomorrow, possible, in the for Tuesday. It's this one here, giving some plenty areas of snow showers. That is going to head towards, my pen's not working, so that's going to head towards England. Just there. Maybe not the best coloured pen to do. There we go. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.